Now we're creating the soft part of the chair. Duplicate the object, Mesh 43, and in the palette tools, choose Copy Offsets. In the Control panel, choose the function Face and go to the settings of the tool. Activate Loop Selection. Highlight the polygons in the seat and align it with the tool's scale. To the selected polygons, apply the function Inset with value 3. Add polygon selection, Face, with an active loop selection. Remove the selection from the edges of the object. And using the tool Move, lift it. In the Control panel, switch to the function Vertex, and with the Move tool, select and lower the anchor points of the edges of the pillow, forming a bend. In the Control panel, choose the function Face with the rectangular selection. Select the back of the chair, and using the tool Scale and Rotate, align it. In the Control panel, switch to the function Vertex, and using the Move tool, move the anchor points, forming the backrest and the seat of the chair.